Hi everyone, I'm Major. In this video, let's take a look at the pictures of ArchiWood. The drawing is a manifestation of the output of ArchiWood achievements. It can be used to view the installation drawings on site, or communicate with customers about the plan. The drawing of ArchiWood can be templated, or personalized drawing. It can be used to draw a single cabinet, or batch drawing for multiple cabinets. In this video, we will first discuss the drawing of a single cabinet. Okay, let's still use the cabinet in the project order as an example. When we are drawing the drawing, we should pay attention to the model of the project order we open. It is recommended that, not directly in the project order model, to draw the drawing, but copy the cabinet by pressing Ctrl+C, then open a new blank SU. And then, in this blank SU, and paste it with Ctrl+V. After pasting it, then note that our cabinet is parallel to the red axis. Another thing is that we can double-click to enter the editing state of the cabinet group. We can see the display of the coordinate axis inside. The red axis is also in this direction, so we should pay attention to the coordinate axis inside the cabinet, and the coordinate axis displayed by SU now are in the same direction. Okay. Next, we open the ArchiWood client-side panel. After opening, click on the cabinet module, and scroll to the bottom. You can see the drawing tools. Then click Select Model. Then click Create a Single Cabinet Scene. After clicking, you can see that it will automatically create a scene, such as front view, front structure diagram, and so on. This is very convenient. Okay, let's go back to the perspective view. Select this cabinet, and then you can click to create a single cabinet section scene, then a section plane will appear. We can right-click the context menu that pops up to switch its section direction. Of course, for more accurate slicing, we can also turn on the X-ray, and then add the position we need to make a section. For this section, we can also consider delete the hardware inside, and then perform the slicing. Okay, let's click on the section here. After clicking, then we can see here, a top section is generated. Okay, we continue to select this cabinet. Then click on the section. Then we can right-click to switch to left and right slope cuts. Then click here. Then click again at another position we need. In this way, it will generate left slope cut 1 and left slope cut 2. Okay, we can slice it again. After selecting it, we can click it. Then right-click to switch to the Y-axis direction to make a section. After clicking, then it will generate a front section. Okay, let's go back to the front view. Then we can see that, in the front view, there is no dimensioning. At this time, we can find the automatic dimensioning or quick dimensioning icon. Then click to select the cabinet. Then find the annotation editing tool above. Then find the automatic dimensioning or quick dimensioning. Then here we can select the current scene. Then here we can select the door panel. And click OK. In this way, it can label the door panel. Then we can also click on the front structure diagram. For the front structure diagram, we also need to select the cabinet first, and then click this icon. At this time, we select the outer contour, and click OK. Then we can see that the dimensions inside have been labeled with one click. Of course, there are some unnecessary dimension marks. We can also manually delete them. Okay, so in this way, we have processed it. After processing, we can save our model. We can save it or save it as another file. Then we save it to the desktop. Then it was named Building ArchiWood 2026. Then click Save. Next, we just need to export our results. We can click Export Drawing. After clicking this icon, it will automatically open the layout, and the template will be automatically opened. Under My Template, we can select an A3 template. Click OK. In this way, we can see that we can export the drawing with one click. The exported drawing, if some of the dimension marks are not good enough, we can use the shortcut key D in L, and then quickly dimension it. We can hold down the Ctrl key to make the direction of the dimension upward. Then, we can also manually click on this icon and then make more dimension marks. For example, here, and create a dimension in this direction. In this way, it can make our dimensions more abundant. After the operation, we can export our results. We click Export and export it to the desktop. We can choose PDF or DWG, it's alright. Okay, let's select PDF first. Then we name it 1, click Save and output it. Okay. Then we can go back to the desktop and see file 1. We can double-click to open this file. Okay, this is the result of our output. As for this PDF file, is very convenient through mobile phones or tablets. These mobile devices to send to customers for communication. Okay, let's open Leo again. Then we click Export Output again. Then we can select DWG file and name it as 2. And then click Save Export. In this way, we can export a CAD file. Then this CAD file, we can use the installed CAD software to open it. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you, all.